The other big story making headlines, a federal judge overseeing Donald Trump's classified documents case dismissing the charges.
And Morgan McKay with the bombshell decision out of Florida today. Morgan?
Steve and Natasha, Judge Aileen Cannon releasing a 93-page ruling tossing out the case and says that the appointment of special counsel Jack Smith was illegal. Judge Aileen Cannon dismissed the classified documents case against former President Donald Trump, ruling that the appointment of the special counsel Jack Smith violated the Constitution, calling his appointment unlawful. Judge Cannon said that since Smith was not appointed by the president or confirmed by the Senate, his appointment as an independent prosecutor was in violation of the Appointments Clause. Quote, "Since November 2022, Special Counsel Smith has been exercising power that he did not lawfully possess. All actions that flowed from his defective appointment, including his seeking of the superseding indictment on which this proceeding currently hinges, were unlawful exercises of executive power." Cannon did not rule, however, on the merits of the case, which accuses Trump of scheming to mislead federal investigators in order to retain sensitive materials that he knew were still classified. Trump, in a statement, said, quote, "As we move forward in uniting our nation after the horrific events on Saturday, this dismissal of the lawless indictment in Florida should be just the first step, followed quickly by the dismissal of all the witch hunts." Trump has 4 other pending cases against him, including another one being led by Smith, which accuses Trump of plotting to overturn the 2020 election. This was Jack Smith when he unsealed that indictment.
The men and women of law enforcement who defended the U.S. Capitol on January 6th are heroes.
It is unclear at this point if the ruling in the classified documents case will impact the election interference case or any of the other cases against Trump. Trump's team has been arguing to get the case tossed out under this Appointments Clause, but many legal experts thought it was a weak argument. Independent prosecutors have been named before this way, including when Trump was president. Now, Smith will almost certainly appeal this decision, but this ruling guarantees a classified documents case will not go to trial before the election. Steve and Natasha?
Very well. All right. Thanks, Morgan.